laugh at the same time.
Good morning, everybody. It's so early. It's 5 in the morning. So last night I was put on wrap A, which means I was on call from 2 a.m. till 2 p.m. because October is my reserve month. So at 3:30 this morning, I got a call from crew scheduling that they assigned to me a 2-day. It's a short Miami layover. It's not terribly short. It's like 14 hours, which is fine. But today we are going to be working 3 flights. I believe the schedule is Dallas to Cancun, Cancun back to Dallas, Dallas to Miami. Also, it is the beginning of October, which means it is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So I do have my pink masks that I went and bought. That's one of our approved items that we get to wear. So I have the pink mask to kick off the month. I'm tired and I'm trying to push through. I did not sleep but 2 hours. So I'm like, any chance I can keep getting coffee or something throughout the day, I'm gonna take it. So I guess let's go ahead and get our stuff out and drag ourselves inside.
Hanging up to see if you would call me. I miss you more when you seem too far away.
So, little mistake, I just checked my schedule and I'm not going to Cancun. I'm doing Dallas to Miami, Miami to Cancun, then Cancun back up to to Miami. Does that make sense? So we are going Dallas to Miami right now. So I'm actually at the complete wrong gates because I got the flight's information wrong. So we're gonna go head over to C.
Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive.
Okay, so I just got on the plane. I'm working the back galley today. I haven't done this position in forever. Hopefully I get it right because Dallas does a 2-topper, so the blue inserts on the top of the carts, whereas Charlotte, where I used to be based, was just 1. So hopefully I master this, but I guess I should go ahead and start getting set up. So I wanted to take a moment to interrupt the video to thank today's sponsor, which is Skillshare. Skillshare has been a big supporter of my channel, which I very, very much appreciate. So for those of you who do not know, Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for creative people. Skillshare allows you to explore new skills, deepen existing passions, and just get lost in your own creativity. Skillshare has so many different classes and such a broad range of topics, everything from film, photography, media, social media, creative writing, and so many more. There's basically something for everybody. And Skillshare is also curated specifically for learning. This means there are 0 ads, so they will not interrupt you so you can get lost in your creativity, and they are also constantly launching new premium classes for you to check out. So one of the classes that I recently took, which is absolutely one of my favorite classes, is called The Ultimate Self-Care Playbook, Discover and Nurture Your Centered Self by Jonathan Van Ness. Yes, you guys, Jonathan Van Ness hosted this Skillshare course and it is absolutely amazing. If you guys have been watching my videos, you might have realized recently I've really been diving into more books about just learning about yourself, positive affirmations, and just meditation, centering yourself, getting into the positive mindset, and just ways to really combat some of your limiting self-beliefs, which is actually one of the things that I learned from his course, and that is the fact that we all have these limiting self-beliefs. And these are things that we just ultimately at some point decide that we are stuck in this box, this is how we see ourselves, and we can't go beyond the box. So one of the ways to combat these beliefs that we set for ourselves is to do daily affirmations. So you might come up with something that says, I am worthy, and you'll find a mirror and sit there and talk to yourself. And it may seem really silly at first, but I promise you, saying these things to yourself really start sinking into your subconscious mind, which you guys, I will go on a scientific rant here about all of just the science behind it. It's so fascinating to me. But you start telling this and your subconscious mind picks up on it, which then you actually use in your daily life. And this goes to pretty much anything you do because most of what you are doing is subconscious. So you do not want to miss out on this course or any of Skillshare's amazing classes. And you can actually do that with this special offer. So right now, Skillshare is offering the first 1,000 of my subscribers who go down to my description box and click that link down below, a free entire month of Skillshare Premium membership. So now you can get lost and explore your own creativity. Once again, thank you to Skillshare for sponsoring today's video. As always, I absolutely love them and I know you guys will too. So do not miss out on that special offer. And with that being said, let's get back into today's video.
Somewhere in between our secrets, there's an imminent storm. It's unavoidable. Yeah, but as long as I feel that you see me, I will pay no mind at all. So give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive.
Welcome to Miami. You guys, this was a long one. This trip is not a great trip. I'm not even gonna lie to you. We're all reserves. We all got called at like 3 in the morning because all the line holders to this trip did not want it. And I understand why. It's not great. But today is finally over with, which I'm excited about because I was fighting sleep all day long. I'm like tired after being called at 3:30 in the morning. One of the things though that I did not account for was the fact that I actually packed my food. I packed like leftover Thai food, which was going to be enough for 2 meals, except I had to go through customs, so I had to throw it away. So it was good on the plane, but now I actually need to order some food. I'm gonna go ahead and get changed out of this, start getting stuff put away. Can't even talk. Start getting stuff put away because it's probably gonna be an early night. Since we were up so early, we're gonna be up again early tomorrow. So let's go ahead and start rolling the ball. So I have already closed this drawer and it keeps opening itself up. I guess we'll see how long it stays like that. Also, I wanted to show this with you. So this was our 9/11 pen. So this year was the 20th anniversary of 9/11, which is very special to a lot of flight crew. And I didn't fly this year around 9/11, so I finally just went and picked my pen up. But look how cool it is. Like, I cannot wait to wear this like so proudly. Oh, this feels so amazing. I do not want to get up. Comfort level 1,000. I'm like pooped today. Today was draining. Today was one of those days where it's just like, oh, it feels so good just to be in a bed. It was so tiring. But I guess let's go ahead, get the laptop open and get some food ordered. So right now it is 8:09. So my food just got here. I got 1 taco, some street corn, and then a cup of tortilla soup. And I'm guessing these are like chips and salsa that it came with. But I'm excited. This smells so good and I am hungry. So I guess I'm gonna go ahead and eat the food, and then we need to start getting ready for bed because tomorrow I have another early wake up at 6:40, which actually Dallas time is 5:40. Weirdly enough, I'm actually kind of excited about it because it beats the heck out of 3:30. So it's really just all about perspective here. So I'm excited to eat, probably gonna watch a little bit of YouTube. You guys, this humidity in my hair, we've never gotten along. So I guess that is the plan, and then we will start getting ready for bed.
You make me nervous. I think I might be hooked on you. All of the things you said to me, it seems like you like me too.
Good morning, everybody. So for the last 40 minutes-ish, I've basically been getting ready, doing my hair and my little bit of makeup. I didn't pack everything on this trip, but basically gonna put my uniform on and then start packing up my stuff to get out of here. Today we are working 2 flights. We are going from Miami to Philly. We have almost a 4-hour sit. So we have 3 hours and 45 minutes sit before we go Philly to Dallas. So it's a very long sit. I guess it's a little good that we have something because I don't have food. So I'll get something at the Philly airport, but we have about 20 minutes left before we have to go downstairs and get the shuttle. And the guy at the front desk said there's coffee downstairs, so I want to give myself a little bit of extra time to get some coffee. So I guess we're gonna go ahead and start getting things moving.
Thought you'd be the one for me. Won't you tell me how you feel? I shared my dream with you until the morning. Everybody else have done it right.
I also realized I need to make change for the van driver. So tip, if you are a flight attendant, we always tip our van drivers $1 wherever they're taking us, like to the hotel or back. So I need to make change downstairs, get my coffee and go. So we have 7 minutes till shuttle time. So let's get out of here.
So why that look on your face? The tears in
So I am officially in the Philadelphia airport. We have almost a 4-hour sit here, so I ended up getting some Starbucks. I've already had lunch. Now I'm basically just chilling with a view out here until it's time to go. One more flight, and I'm starting to get tired, so I'm ready to go.
I just wanna be by your side and see your face.
So I just got onto the plane. We are still waiting on catering and cleaners to come get us ready. We're gonna work one flight and be done. I am excited, exhausted, and ready for a nap. But yeah, just waiting on them. I'll get everything set up, put away, and we'll be on our way.
Just pick the time and place, oh baby, I do what it takes to testify. I'll bring you all the proof that you can't deny. So take me to court and I'll testify.
So I'm officially back home. This was a long 2-day. It was like worth 13 hours, which is like sometimes what 3 days are actually worth in flight time. So it was a long one, but I'm finally back home. Tomorrow I'm actually put on Wrap C, which means I am on call from 10 a.m. till 10 p.m. I'm good for 1 day, but I also have a flex day the next day, which basically is a day off that if they need to due to irregular ops, they can use you, but they have to give the day back. So hopefully they don't use my flex day, but if they do, we will just see. But I'm gonna go ahead and get changed, get all my stuff on the charger, ready for tomorrow, eat some dinner. So if you did enjoy this video, go ahead and give it a big old thumbs up, press that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.